Okay, so today we'll be going around this house and lot for sale here in Greenhills West. That's right. This is probably my first tour of a property here in Greenhills. Now I want you to zoom out just a little bit before we go in, because look at the sprawling facade. You have your main entrance in the middle, where you also have a driveway. Then you have your garage entrance on the left, and then you have access to the side and the back of the house on the right. Actually, that one has a that one has a very special entrance to an acupuncture room. So if you want to see that, make sure you check out the full house tour. But for now, I'm going to show you what the main areas of the ground floor look like, as well as one of the bedrooms. So clearly this house is very brutalist, right? Like a lot of the materials here are the same materials that you would see in PICC, so very 1970s. That being said, you have here your foyer with the beautiful main stairs. This is probably my favorite area of the house because look at it. So you have the ocean sand, you have the adobe, you have the solid wood. Oh, just look at this. Before that, before we go up, I'll show you the main entertainment area, which is basically your enclosed living and dining area. Notice how the floor is made out of marble tiles. Very nostalgic, right? So you can entertain all of your family and friends here. They can just hang out and chill. You have lots of natural light coming in from all of the windows, including the clerestory window over there at the front of the property, but it still gives you lots of privacy because it's so high up. Then you have access to your formal kitchen over here. You're gonna have to watch a full house tour for that. You also have access to a service kitchen, as well as an entire wing for your staff quarters. But then here you have a sprawling backyard. So you have a large rectangular swimming pool, and then you have a tea house over there, like it's a huge veranda really, where again you can entertain family and friends, and basically this entire area is just for hanging out. Look at how much lot space you have. In fact, you have 1,539 square meters of lot area. Ang laki ng property. Steps are solid, as you can imagine, and then here on the landing itself you have wood parquet, and again, made in the 70s, and it's done so well. Okay, now this is the primary room. Now this is basically like a condo unit in itself already, because it has its own kitchen, like with its sink, with the ref, with your built-in stove over there, as well as an oven. So it's not just a kitchenette, it's basically a fully functioning mini kitchen. Then you have lots of space for the room itself. You can fit a king-size bed if you wanted to, or several beds if you want. Then you have a walk-in closet with a vanity, and then an ensuite toilet and bath with his and her sinks, your enclosed shower area, bathtub na naka-cover lang ngayon, and then you have a toilet and a bidet. Haven't seen that in a while, have you? I'll show you one more thing. This room also has access to a balcony. This is brutalist architecture, and one of the key features of this kind of architecture, as you may have noticed from all of our very famous brutalist buildings here in the country, ganda ng pagkagawa, and the materials are sturdy and unshakable. Like, this house has gone through so many earthquakes and stuff, walang cracks ni isa. So if you want to see the full house tour of this one, make sure you head on over to our YouTube, and if you like this video, make sure you let us know, give us a like and a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.